know about this. This is probably not as good as I think it is.
These are really hard to find. I mean, but apparently not, Kim. I mean, but here, they're not so hard to find. Mama, behind me.
They're hard to take video of.
In a boat?
Yeah. As soon as I...
If that mosquito had to, it wouldn't even try to, but it would bite off my finger.
No problem.
Yeah, like, it wouldn't even try to. It would be like this is a bird that would go like super closer. It would go like that, but it would probably break it off. Break your finger off. Yes. Probably yours too. That one over there.
It seems like they're staying by fishermen, and I wonder if it's because they know that they've got bait and getting fish.
I think so. I think they might swoop in and take your fish.
It's not very nice. I know.
Like, see, that's that one on the